Hey guys, Max Convexity. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's about 12:40 here in the Central Time Zone, so it's probably about 1:40 if you're on the East Coast. Let's check out these Defiance funds and see how we're doing at this hour. I guess let's look at the price, the graph first, the chart. All right, here's NDX. This is NASDAQ. These guys, this is what the triple QY traders trade. They trade NDX options. I also put the VIVIX down here. I'm going to start keeping a closer eye on the VIVIX, which is the VIX of the VIX. I talked about that a little bit earlier on the morning update. In any event, this is right. If you look, it's right at break even. It's anyway. Let's see what the spreadsheet says. Spreadsheet says we're losing 133,000, trying to make 1.2 million, down 133,000. Remember though, that was 15 minutes ago. So by now it looks like it's closer to even. We'll check out Jeppy. Jeppy's down 306,000, trying to make 478. Jeppy trades SPX options. So we'll look at the SPX options here. And yeah, SPX is just sold off and it's under its profit box. Now, hopefully it'll turn around and come back by the end of the day. Here's Russell options. This is what IWMY trades, and this is also at a loss right now. We have also sold off in the Russell today. So right now, 2 out of the 3 are losers. TLT, what's TLT doing this? Oh my gosh. I was hoping it was going to try to bust out, but really it probably just reverted to the mean. It was probably closer to busting out up here, and boom, it just reverted to the mean. The options they have sold on this are the 93 strike, I believe. All right. Let's see. What else should we look at? Let's look at the single name stocks. Here's TSLY. TSLY trades Tesla options. All right, we've been watching this trend line, and it looks like for now it has failed. And now it looks like Tesla's trying to test it from the bottom, the underside of the trend line. In any event, it was nice while it lasted, Tesla. As long as we could stay above this trend line and maybe bounce off it and rally up here, I was thinking it's bullish, but it looks to me like actually this move the other day, this excursion, was actually a bull trap and not the real move. I guess the real move was lower, and that was a fake out or whatever you want to call it. I mean, for now, that's what it's looking like on this time frame. There's many time frames. This is just one of many time frames. All right, so NVDY has a 3 strike ladder of call options, and they're still in good shape on all of them. The markets, NVIDIA is not really moving today. In fact, NVIDIA is down from the open a little bit. Lots of red on the board today. See what Bitcoin's doing. See if it's failed. I have a key support level on Bitcoin I've been looking at, and look at it. It's right back to it. Huh. All right. Well, we'll see what happens. It ought to be interesting. It ought to be interesting. Here's coin. These guys trade or CONY trades coin options. These guys have a 2 strike ladder. It doesn't really matter because they're selling off. They're in good shape on both of these. Other things being equal, that we'd rather these guys not sell off that long. They need to turn around maybe by Friday, turn around, and Friday as a price of 285 would be ideal for this fund. And we can't forget old Misty. Misty's down today. Everything's down. I drew these profit boxes out too far. All right, that looks better. Anyway, these guys have a three strike ladder. Ladder just mean they have different strikes. They aren't all in the same strike. All right, I guess we could look at the buffer report. Of course, this one went ex dividend today, and it's just down because the dividend's coming out. It makes me mad. Sometimes Google Finance will adjust without me having to make a manual adjustment. I was looking at something today, and they were showing, here's what it was. It was the 1 day, on the 1 day change. They have it right. It's not really down big. But if I go out beyond 1 day and I measure the change between two dates, then I have to put an adjustment in the spreadsheet. So, but then they're right the rest of the month. So this one will be wrong today. It's a weekly change. And then it'll be right the rest of the week. Or I can go put a manual change in it today. But the 1 day indexes, Google knows on a 1 day change percentage that I just want the real change percentage. I don't want to know how much is down because of the dividend. I want to know if it weren't for the dividend. And so Google factors all that out. The sad thing is ULTY, well, ULTY is yield max, so it's not ex dividend anyway. I always get that confused because J does both funds. I think of anything J does as being in the same family, but ULTY is not in the same family as SPY-T and triple QY. In any event, so if we look at this is the 1 day change. Market's pretty flat. There's not a bunch happening except ULT's selling off. And IWMY selling off. Remember, it was the fund of the month too. So it's got started on a bad, it's got started off the month on the wrong foot for sure. Okay. Well, I'll be back after the market closes and we'll see where we ended up on all of these. Hopefully we get some of these back in the profit, but this darn I mean, SPX is outside of the profit box. I mean, last I checked, NDX was the only one close, and it keeps flirting with the profit box, but there's a really zoomed in view of the 30-minute chart. I still can't believe how little extrinsic we earn compared to other days where we earn twice as much as that. And sometimes more than, sometimes three times as much as that is like right there. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll be back after the market closes. See ya.